Assalamu alaikum student mathematics 4024. Welcome to Maths Guru. Student, this question is related to statistics and the concept which is used in this question is arithmetic mean. The question says Jenny asked 60 people how many movies they had each watched in the last month. The table summarizes her results. The mean number of movies watched is 2.3. The mean is given to us and we have to find the value of P and the value of Q. In the table, the number of movies are from 0 to 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 movies has been watched by P people since this is the column of frequency. So we will just write F. This is F and this column is X. So the number of movies 0 is watched by P people. We don't know the value of P. We have to find the value of P. One movie is watched by 14, two is watched by 15. Three movies watched by seven people, four watched by Q people. We have to find the value of Q. Five movies watched by five people, and six movies watched by two people only. So this is the question. Since we know the total is 60. So what we will do first, we will just add all the numbers which are in the column of frequency and equate them with 60. Since frequency tells us about the total number of people and we know that the total number of people is 60, so we can add all these numbers and we will equate it with 60 to form the first equation. Because we have to find the value of P and Q, so we have to develop two equations and then we will solve them. So in order to make the first equation, we will just add all these: P plus 14 plus 15 plus 7 plus q plus 5 plus 2 equals to 60. 14 plus 15 will give us 29. 29 and 7 will give us 29 and 7 36. 36 plus 5 will give us 41. 41 plus 2 43. And when 43 will move on the other side, it will get subtracted. 60 minus 43 will give us 17. So our first equation is P plus Q equals to 17. This is our first equation. And now in order to form the second equation, we will use this concept of arithmetic mean. The mean is 2.3. We know that the formula for the mean is sigma fx upon f, arithmetic mean, or we can also write it as m. M stands for mean. The formula for mean is sigma fx upon sigma f. We know the value of mean. We have the value of mean, that is 2.3. We know the total number of people 60. So we just have to find out the numerator. How can we find out the numerator, since this is the column of x and this is the column of f? So we have to multiply these two numbers and then we have to add them up. So I have to make a column of f multiplied by x over here as well. I know that the sum of frequency, which means the total number of people, is 60. And now I will just multiply them. 0 multiplied by p will give me 0. And then 14 multiplied by 1 will be 14. 15 multiplied by 2 will give me 30. 7 times 3 is 21. 4 times q is 4q. And 5 times 5 is 25 and 6 times 2 is 12. So I have to add all these numbers. So what I did, 0 plus 14 plus 30 plus 21 plus 44q plus 25 plus 12 upon 60, since the total number sigma f is 60. This is the value of sigma fx. This is the value of sigma f equals to mean. What is the mean? The mean is 2.3. So this 60 will get on this side and it will get multiplied. And on adding all these and then shifting it on the other side, 4q is equals to, and then after solving all that, the value of q is coming out as 9. Since this is a P2 question, so calculator is allowed, so you can do this working by your own. 60 will get on this side and it will be multiplied with 2.3. then you will add all these numbers except 4q, and then you will shift it on the other side, it will be subtracted, and the answer will be divided by 4. The value of q will be 9. Since I know the value of q as 9, so I will just put the value of q 9 in this equation number 1. So this will become p plus 9 equals to 17, and this 9 will shift on the other side, get subtracted. The value of p is coming out as 8. So the value of p is 8 and the value of q is 9. एक बार और रिपीट कर देता हूँ, ये q की वैल्यू 9 कैसे आई। ये वाला कॉन्सेप्ट अर्थमेटिक मीन का था। ठीक है, अर्थमेटिक मीन का फॉर्मूला होता है सिग्मा एफ एक्स अपॉन सिग्मा एफ। अच्छा, सिग्मा एफ एक्स का मतलब है कि मुझे ये सारे नंबर्स ऐड अप करने हैं, क्योंकि एफ एक्स का कॉलम यही है। इसका मतलब आई हैव टू ऐड ऑल दीज नंबर्स। तो सारे नंबर्स मैंने ऐड किए हैं, मैंने बिल्कुल यहाँ ऐड कर लिए हैं। ठीक है, अब इसमें एक नंबर है 4q। ठीक है, तो 4q तो ऐड नहीं हो सकता, तो 4q को रहने दो। बाकी ये सारे नंबर्स जो है ना, इन सबको ऐड कर लो। टोटल नंबर 60 थे, मैंने डिनोमिनेटर पे 60 लिख दिया, इक्वल्स टू मीन 2.3 था, मैंने मीन लिख दिया। 60 को शिफ्ट करो इधर, 2.3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, और ये जो आपने सारे नंबर्स ऐड किए हैं इनको दूसरी साइड पे भेज के माइनस करवा दो। जो भी आंसर आएगा वो इक्वल टू 4q होगा। और सिंस यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ q, तो 4 को भेज के वहाँ डिवाइड करवा देना, q की वैल्यू 9 आ जाएगी। जब q की वैल्यू 9 आ जाएगी तो सिर्फ इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में तुम्हें पुट करना है, q की जगह पे 9 रखो, 9 प्लस का है, वहाँ जाके माइनस का हो जाएगा, तो 17 माइनस 9 विल गिव यू द वैल्यू ऑफ p, दैट इज कमिंग आउट एज 8।